From city signals to worldwide wonders, this ride covers more than distance. Holding a phone at chest height and looking down stacks heavy strain on the neck. Raise the phone toward eye level instead. That leads neatly to something else worth knowing. Brake fluid silently absorbs moisture, lowering its boiling point month by month. A rider who sees early rarely needs to react late. He walked thousands of kilometers centuries before maps were common, preaching that no berth is low or high. The first 10 minutes of any ride deserve extra care, because body and mind are still settling into road mode. Hyderabad wears many faces across its neighborhoods, each with its own pace and personality. That wraps today's journey. Like and follow if the road taught you something new.